Welcome or welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a before and after. I've lost track of how many videos this is. It's a before and after, and we're going to be doing the Beauty and the Beast room today. It's one of our guest bedrooms. It's the second guest bedroom in our house. We call it the Beauty and the Beast room because we themed it to Beauty and the Beast. And we're also going to be talking about the ensuite bathroom as well. That is connected to this room because this room is kind of like a second master. So let's dive in. But before we can show you the after, we have to show you where it started. So this is the before.
Here is another bedroom. And actually I think the other bedroom is bigger. But this will just be an extra suite for somebody to come and stay. Probably just like the spare suite. As well as downstairs, we'll have 2 spare bedrooms and so forth. And this one actually has a full bath, shower, all of that as well. So the house technically has 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and 2 of the bedrooms will be utilized for spare bedrooms. The other 2 bedrooms will be craft room and a man cave, and then obviously we have the master. So that's what we have upstairs.
Now we're working in the other bathroom, in the Beauty and the Beast room. We're going to, Dave's being silly in the background there. Just trying to get you guys straight.
Oh, I need to cut my hair. Good God almighty. My hair never used to be this gray. Her fault.
It's not my fault.
Yeah, I think we should do board and batten up to here. Just on this wall.
I still think we should patch the hole just so.
Okay.
We don't have to do it very neatly and match this and all that, but
we could do that board like you.
well, just so no critters or nothing can go through them holes and
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Got it.
I don't know what I'm talking about.
Just gives the bathroom character.
Yes, character. That's what we're going for. Updating. Well, that was easy.
Okay.
How's it going?
It's going good.
Got the first vertical piece set.
Looks good.
Mm-hmm.
This is exciting here.
Opening the vanity.
Watch it be all broke. So far, so good. It ain't cracked. Here's the reveal.
Yay!
We don't have to use this mirror though.
Okay. Whoa! The only thing that I did today of really any significance is put the wallpaper in the medicine cabinet. I did tell you that I was going to do that way back when in another video, but it turned out really good. Now that you have seen the before, let's show you the after. Let's talk about some of the things that we did to transform this room. Of course, the first thing we did was paint. This was the second room in our house that we painted. As soon as we moved in, the movie room was the first room. This room was the second room. And it's the only room in our house that is not painted with some shade of gray. We chose a buttery, peanut buttery type of beige for this room because I just thought that this would be something that Belle would pick for her dreamy little cottage. I did specifically pick this bedroom set, this bedroom spread set, whatever you call these things. I did specifically pick this for this room because I thought it would be something that Belle would pick for her cottage. I did get it from IKEA. This bed is one of the things that I did transform for this room. This bedroom furniture did come with this house. It's the only furniture that we kept when we bought the house. Now, because of the way that we have this room situated with the furniture, there's not room for both end tables. We do have both, but we have one here and we do have the other one in the closet here. The chair here we did buy from IKEA because, you know, being that it's a Beauty and the Beast themed room, I do think that Belle needs a reading chair, so I did get this for this room. And yeah, I mean, we changed out the ceiling fans. You've heard me say in every single one of these videos that when we moved into this house, they did have ceiling fans in the rooms, but there were no lights. So we did add this ceiling fan to have light in here. We did change out the blinds. There were those hideous vertical blinds in here, so we did change them out. For these blinds, of course, carpeting is the same carpeting that we have all through our house. And one thing that does make this bedroom unique is it's almost like a second master because it does have an ensuite bathroom. It also has this little hallway here that I always thought was very, very cute. It's like a little changing area. So with this little area, we did change out the light in here, and it's the same light that we have in our loft area. So if you haven't seen that video yet, you can watch that one next. I'll leave it in the description box below. I do also like these closet doors because it's a mirror. I mean, you can check your fit, you know, make sure that you're good to go for the day. You're ready for the parks. You got your ears all whatever you do. We did a lot in this bathroom. Pretty much the same in every bathroom. We changed out the vanity, we changed out the toilet, we tore up the tile, replaced the tile, painted. We did leave the shower as is as far as the tile, but there was a glass shower surround. I did have a lot of ideas for it. It didn't work out, so I ended up taking it down. And this is what we have now. So we have new tile. We have a new vanity. Now, I really liked this vanity because it has lots and lots of storage under there. And then on this side, you have two drawers that pull out for even more storage. So I liked this vanity. I also liked that it was just, you know, kind of plain. We did have to improvise with the backsplash that's in here. And I think it turned out really nice. This is actually plastic. It's plastic molding. It's actually vinyl, not plastic, but it's vinyl molding, and we just put these two pieces together to kind of give it a more dressed up look, and I think it matches pretty well. And of course, this bathroom is themed for Peter Pan, so this is the medicine area, just like in the other two bathrooms of our remodels. We took down the mirrored medicine cabinet that was in here. That leaves a hole in your wall when you do that. So Dave framed out this little nook area and made a box for the inside, framed it out, and I painted it. I think it looks really good. I love that feature in our spare bathrooms. And of course, I used peel and stick wallpaper for the back with a wave pattern because, you know, Peter Pan. Captain Hook, you know. We did change out the light fixture in here. We hung this mirror, and this has a huge, ginormous shower. This shower is, let me see if I can come back. It is huge, and it has this really cool window in here to let in a lot of light, and same towel bar. Since we added board and batten molding in all the other bathrooms in the house, of course we had to add it in here too. So this whole wall, I'm gonna move this little thing here and close this so you can see. So this whole wall of the bathroom is board and batten, and it has a little ledge here for you to kind of set things up there if you want. We added these hooks so that you can hang up your towels. And we also have a teak bench here for you to set whatever, your clothes, your towels, whatever you'd like on here. We do keep this up here because I do think it looks nautical, and this door likes to close on its own, so we leave that there so it won't close. Just like all the other doors in this house, I did take these doors off the hinges and paint the front and backs so that it would look nice, bright, and white. We also changed out the floor molding in here in this bathroom. And yeah, that's it. So that is it for the Peter Pan bath and the Beauty and the Beast bedroom. I do really love this bedroom. I think it's very sweet. It's very cozy. It feels very cozy. And I am going to miss it. But I do have these memories to look back on. I hope you enjoyed coming along for the before and the afters. I will see you in the next one. All those YouTubey things. Bye.